Welcome to my channel. This is Mallu Safecracker with you. Today I am introducing one steelage safe key lock. This lock is working with two sets of different keys. It looks like same, but it's different. And both keys are using in the same hole. When you are closing the lock, first you put the first key, then the second key. Then if you try with the first key, it will not open. When you are opening, first you put the second key, then the first key. Let us see what is inside, how it's work. Don't skip the video. When you're putting the first key, second key, then you are trying to open with first key, it will not open. You have to open with second key first, then first key. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you are putting the first key, the main shooting bolt will be come out. Then you will put the second key. The second latch will come out. When you are trying to open, first you put the second key. Then first key. When you're closing one safe, first put the first key. Then second key. When you're opening, first second key. Then first key. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the like button and please subscribe. Thank you.